showing exact detailed reasoning, we've got to find the exact value of sine of 15 degrees. So sine of 15, we could rewrite that as sine of 45 minus 30. We could also do 60 minus 45 as well. That would give, and then use the compound angle formula for A sine minus B is sine A is cos B minus cos A sine B. So that's going to give me sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30. You should know the exact values of each of these. The sine of 45 is root 2 over 2. The cos of 30 is root 3 over 2. The cos of 45 is root 2 over 2. Sine of 30 is a half. There's a common factor here of root 2, and then there's a common denominator of 4, so we can factorise out root 2 over 4, and we're going to be left with root 3 minus 1 as the final answer. So the sine of 15 is root 2 over 4 times root 3 minus 1. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the exact value of sine 15. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.